Hello and welcome to another tutorial session with Chiefs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add team members to Trello. Adding team members to your Trello board helps you to collaborate, assign tasks, and work efficiently. It's easy peasy. Here you can simply assign tasks without having to move your tasks from your Trello board over to another application. It is all encompassing. So to do this, we'll simply log into our Trello account. All right, do that quickly, and this will take us straight to our Trello dashboard. So this is the Trello dashboard displayed on your screen. So we'll open our Trello board over here, and as you can see, up here at the top right corner we have the share button. So this is where you share your Trello to other team members. So I'll click on share, and then to share my Trello to other team members, I simply have to log in their email addresses. So for instance, I want to sign up this person. I would, if any of these names is the person I want to work with, I'll simply click on their name, and then I would share my Trello with them. Another way you can go about this is to copy your Trello link over here, copy it, and then simply paste it in their DM so they can join you on Trello to make the work easy peasy for your team. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I hope it was helpful for you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.